This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify for a clothing brand. First, you'll want to choose a memorable brand name and secure your domain. Then, select a Shopify plan that aligns with your business size, perhaps starting with the basic plan at $29 per month. Next, customize your online store with a visually appealing theme that truly represents your brand's aesthetic. Finally, create crucial pages like About Us and Contact to build trust and provide information. Once your store is set up, focus on your products. Upload high-resolution images that showcase your clothing from multiple angles and write compelling descriptions highlighting key features and materials. Organize your items into intuitive collections, such as dresses or outerwear, making it simple for customers to find what they need. Implement inventory tracking to avoid overselling and ensure you offer a wide range of sizes, from extra small to extra large, and diverse color choices. To drive sales, effective marketing is key. Optimize your product titles and descriptions with relevant keywords to improve your search engine ranking. Leverage platforms like Instagram and TikTok to showcase your clothing and engage with potential customers. Consider offering an introductory discount, perhaps 10% off a first purchase, or a buy one, get one half off promotion. Build an email list to send newsletters about new arrivals and exclusive offers, fostering customer loyalty. Finally, ensure a smooth post-purchase experience. Accurately set up your shipping rates and delivery zones, offering options like standard and expedited shipping. Partner with reliable carriers to ensure your clothing reaches customers promptly. Clearly outline your return and exchange policies, perhaps allowing returns within 30 days of purchase to build customer confidence. Provide excellent customer support through email, live chat, or phone, addressing inquiries promptly and professionally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.